is it? What do you have there, Sam?
Suitcase.
The suitcase? And what's its name?
From
And where did you get that?
Grandma.
And how do you do it? Can you write on it? Show us how you write on it. Outstanding. And what else can you do with it?
Push it.
And what can you put inside?
My luggage.
Your luggage. Pretty cool, huh? What do you say to Grandma?
His name is Trump. Why?
Would you like to pull it too?
Oh, and look what can happen.
You can pull it. I can pull it.
You can pull it?
This is how you open it. How do you get it up? How? Why does it have this on it?
Would you like some help, sweetheart?
I can do it. By sitting on it. Who helps build things?
Who helps build things?
Lots of people.
Who helps build our house?
I don't know. Probably the architect and the foreman and the construction workers.
Who do you think builds our house?
Ken and Terry.
Ken and Terry.
Right, they built the roof on it.
They're the ones who put the new roof on. Yeah.
Yeah. Who built our house?
Okay. Are you done with Trunky? What else are you going to do with Trunky?
Where can I put it now?
We'll have to think. Where do you think it should go?
Probably in a box.
In a box? Alright. Can you look at Grandma in the camera and say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. You're welcome.